So this is the thepla flour I made. It's quite soft, and you can see here I'm making like a small dough. I just want to show you how easy to roll. So you dip it into the flour first, and then take a something flat where you can roll, and then just roll it. And if you notice, I actually concentrate more on the side when I actually press, when I roll. So here, see, it rolls automatically. You don't even have to move it. It automatically moves. And once that is done, you put it on the pan and then you roast it. So here, I think this is too hot. So one side is done. I'm adding some oil on top. And once this is done, I just have to roast it on the other side. And as you can see here, add a little more oil on the other side. And you can see this one is almost done. It literally takes less than a minute to prepare. And here I have the pie already ready, and you can see it's really soft and very delicious. So this is called Methi na thepla in our language. This is masala roti with fenugreek leaves. Thank you.